Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be making this simple drip cake with a white frosting, gold leaf and macarons. I've used 8-inch cakes for this project and I'm filling in with ganache and buttercream mixed together just to make a really nice luscious and creamy frosting. Stack your cake layers between your frosting and then once it's all completely stacked, create a crumb coat. This is a thin layer of frosting that travels all the way around the cake and traps in any crumbs. Especially if you're going to have a white buttercream cake, you do want to make sure that it's nicely crumb coated, otherwise you'll be able to see through a lot more easily to that crumb base. You could do the outside in white buttercream as well for the crumb coat, totally up to you. Place it into the fridge for 20 minutes and then apply your final layer of frosting. I've just left it with white buttercream, and again this recipe will be listed in the description box for you guys. If your cake can still see through to the brown, don't worry, you can continue to smooth out your frosting, pop it into the fridge and then apply another layer again, and that will make it completely opaque. Fill in any pockets as you go, continue to smooth and then bring the lip of frosting towards the middle of the cake. I let my cake set for another 20 minutes in the fridge at this stage. That way it becomes nice and solid and I can touch it without denting it when I apply my gold leaf. Sometimes your gold leaf is a little bit stubborn and it doesn't want to apply to your cake. What you can do is brush on just a little bit of water and that'll make your cake slightly more tacky and the gold leaf will attach to it a lot easier. From here I'm going to create a white chocolate ganache drip. I have white chocolate buttons. I like to use the Nestle brand. I've added in heavy cream and just zapped it in the microwave for about 30 seconds until it's all melted, stirred and combined. Add just a touch of gel food color, stir it through and then pop it into a Ziploc bag or a piping bag. I've made mine out of baking paper, just snipping off the very top just for like maybe a few millimeters, just give yourself a bit more control, and drip it over the edge. You can make them long and short. I do highly recommend that you have all different lengths. That way it just looks a little bit more dynamic and fun. And then from there you can decorate with the top and the base. I've gone on with some fake flowers. And then I've stuck the gold macarons onto the cake with a little bit of buttercream piped out of a 6B piping tip. My cake was set and my buttercream probably had a little bit too much sugar. That's why I didn't really want to stick properly, but you can use a knife just to help it along its way. And that's it. That is how you create a fun engagement style cake with a gold leaf and a partial drip. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot if you do recreate this. I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and we'll catch you in the next one.